In this short video tutorial, we will understand how to add comments to the HTML code that you write. So in the previous video tutorials, you have already understood about the title, the meta, the link, and the script tags. Now let's see how you can write comments in your the HTML code. Comments are very important when you are working in a team, so that other team members, when they look at the code that you are writing, they are able to understand what you have written by reading the comments. Although we don't make use of comments very excessively, but whenever we need to explain something to our fellow team members, at that time we have to use the comments in the code. So HTML has given you a way to write comments. Now to write a comment in HTML, you put the less than sign, the less than bracket, then exclamation sign, and you put dash and dash two times. So this is the beginning of the comment. Then you write your comment over here, and then you again write dash dash, and you put the angle bracket. So this is the opening of your comment, this is the closing of your comment, and this is the comment that you have written. Now when you write a comment between these uh, starting and marking the starting and ending marks, it will be ignored by the browser. Means that any code, anything that you write as a comment will not be displayed by the browser to the user. So it will only be treated as a comment. You will be able to see the comment in the page source, but it will not be shown on the browser. So comment is very important when you want to explain something to other programmers. So if I save this page by pressing Control S, let me remove this script tag which we added in the previous tutorial. So let me save the page, open the browser and refresh the page. So now I have refreshed the page. If I right click and I say view page source, you will notice that the comment that we have written has been shown to us by the browser when it shows the source code of the web page. So this comment will just be ignored by the browser. It will not be displayed to the user, but anybody who has access to your source code will be able to read the comment. Or if somebody right clicks in the browser and opens the source of your web page, he or she will be able to read the comment. So with this, I hope you have understood how to add comments to your web page. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/webdevelopment. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.